In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach Siteground support chat quickly and efficiently in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're facing technical issues with your website or just need some guidance, Siteground's support team is there to help you out, and I'm here to show you exactly how to get in touch with them via chat. First, we're going to start by visiting the Siteground website. You can do this by going to your favorite search engine and searching for Siteground, or by directly typing the URL, which is world.siteground.com, right into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll land on the homepage where you'll see a lot of useful information about their services, but for now our focus is on contacting support. Now that you're on the Siteground homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labelled Login. Go ahead and click on this. It'll prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as you'll need them to access your account. If you're having trouble with your login credentials, you may need to reset your password, so keep that in mind. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your personalized Siteground account dashboard. Here, you're presented with multiple options along the top, but what we need to do is locate a small question mark icon. This is generally indicative of help or support, and it's your key to accessing assistance from Siteground. Upon clicking the question mark, a drop-down menu will appear. There, you should see an option that says View Help Center. This section is a treasure trove of information and resources designed to help you troubleshoot issues on your own, but since we're looking to engage directly with a support representative, click that link to proceed. Next, you'll find yourself on the Help Center page. Near the upper section of this page, there's a Contact Us button. Clicking this option will guide you to the final destination of our journey, where you can initiate your support chat session. Once you click on Contact Us, you'll be brought to the interface where you can describe your issue and, most importantly, start a live chat with a member of the Siteground support team. Remember, succinctly describing your issue will ensure they can help you as quickly and efficiently as possible. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will get you in touch with Siteground's support chat in no time. Whether you're experiencing difficulties with your hosting services or just need some clarification on how to make full use of their features, reaching out to their support team via chat is direct and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy hosting!